Hi guys, it's Ryan here from the London Craftsman channel. How are you keeping? Today's video is all about making a cornhole board, okay? It's a fun game that you can play in the garden, in the house, anywhere that you like. Play it with the kids, play it with the family, anything that you want to do. It's a very simple game. It's a game where you just throw a beanbag into a hole that's on a ramped box. We're going to be making that ramped box. It's going to be very simple. I'm going to be leaving a file in the description so you can make this as well. I'm going to be making it out of simple materials that you will probably have, most likely offcuts. So let's go ahead, go into the hobby zone over there, show you what we've got, and get the project on the go. If you're new to the channel, this is the workshop. A little bit of a mess, needs a bit of a sort out. We've got a CNC machine here, we've got all our woodworking machines over there, we've got our ultimate workbench at the back. And yeah, this is where we do all the making. And if we come through our sliding doors, if I step back, these are 4 sliding doors that divide up the workshop from the finishing room, or the spray room I like to call it. Walk through, we've got a whole ton of stuff lying around, okay. Show us bits from 2 jobs that we're doing right now, spraying up. This is our spray booth, and this is all of our spraying side. But I have luckily been able to dedicate a section in the corner. I partitioned the wall off just there, and that allowed me to have a little hobby corner. So we've got CNC, 3D printer, metal, engraving, laser, and of course the cool looking Omtech Polar Plus. Here it is, and it's quite a big machine. It's CO2, so it's very powerful indeed. It's 55 watts, and for a CO2 machine, it's actually pretty small. A lot of the CO2 machines are probably just this high alone, but this is a desktop version, but it's still as capable as the bigger versions. So let's go ahead and show you the touchscreen. Here we go, it's on the side, very easy to use, and we could just move the head left and right. We could frame our workpiece, whatever's in our light burn or our software, it's going to frame that out for us. And there are other bits and pieces. We can do autofocus, so if I put a piece of material in there for you, let's just drop a little piece of birch in there, 3mm, drop that in and slide that in. So the autofocus function on this is pretty cool. If we press that top button there, I'll get the camera in position and I'll press it, you'll see what it does. So I'm going to press it now. You'll see that it just focuses the head. It will touch the workpiece, then it will lift up the right amount of distance from the workpiece to get that exact distance that you need for a perfect cut. Lots of other functions on this touchscreen, but I'm just skimming the surface at the moment. It doesn't look any different from the older model. Apart from that, it's more powerful. It's 5 watts more power, so you can't complain about that. We head over in the corner and show you the light burn. So this is what we got on light burn. It's 2 files. You can see one's already loaded up, and then we're going to move that and drag all the smaller bits onto the bed once this one's been cut. So we've got our settings here. I'm going for 3,300 millimeters per minute. I'm going for 8 passes, 85% power. And yeah, I mean, you can tinker, but I found that this works the best for me. So the working area on this, the working bed, usable space is 510 millimeters long or wide and 300 millimeters deep. Cut down a couple of pieces ready to go, and they're oversized, so they are simply just going to drop on. So we've got our materials in there. All we need to do really is just autofocus it, but I want to move it slightly out of the corner first. I'm going to press that top right corner. It looks like an aim button. This one here. And what that's going to do is that's going to autofocus. You can see the head coming down and getting the right height. Move that out the way now because that's done. And then we'll head over to the software light burn. Do that, let's close up because it won't work without these little sensors here in the corners. They will stop you from using the machine if they're not pressed. Just a little tip, keep yourself a little notepad where whenever you do a project you can write down what you're doing, what laser you're using, what settings, what power for everything that you do. Because for me that is the hardest part about lasering. It's getting the correct settings, dialing it in and then remembering. So a notepad is perfect for that. This comes with a really good instruction manual there, so that will help you out if you need any help to get through. I've got my test cut here. I've done lots of tests to make sure that I'm giving you the right settings. To go over it once more, the power, we are going for 85%. We're going for 8 passes so we don't burn the MDF going too slowly, and speed of 3,300 millimeters per second. We've got it all set up ready to go over there. We just need to make sure that the button is pulled out, it's reset, and the light is green there, okay? And yeah, so we've got our file in there now. It's all on the bed. We can probably just frame it first. You'll see it's framing out. It's the entire piece. So I know that it's going to be the right file I've chosen. So I'm good to go now. I just need to go to my, well, I'm in the laser tab. Really, all I need to do is press the start button, which we will now. Right, that went smoothly. 8 passes, no problem whatsoever. So let's give it a go. Hopefully it will just come out without any need for bashing it around. So there we go. Coming away nicely. So that's a good sign. But it didn't just fall apart, so it does need a little bit of persuasion. Anyway, I'm going to take that out, load the second one up, get that on the go. On the bed. Got a nice little honeycomb bed on this. Push it into the corner. Let's move it again over here. Autofocus. Done. Move out of the way. Let's get the second file running. All I'm simply going to do is move that one out of the way. My arrow keys. Then click this one and drag this one in. Center it. Yeah. Same settings. Good to go. Alright, that's done. Let's get it out. Start assembling. Let's give them a light sand up with some used P240 on an orbital sander. So when you do use a laser, if it's quite thick, or you need to do a few passes, you can get black marks, okay, and it's the burn marks. And maybe I could have dialed this in a little bit better, the cuts, yeah, you might get some black marks, which will come off anyway on the MDF. Once it's assembled, I will just go over it again with the sander once more. So we're going to go ahead and assemble that. It's just simply slots the pieces into each other with a bit of PVA glue, and yeah, we'll be good to sand it up and use it. So the design is really straightforward. You can't go wrong with the design. You just slot them in position with a bit of PVA. Oh, you're right, Dad. Didn't realise you were here.
Morning.
Morning. Right, I just pulled that out of the workshop. Just made that on the laser. It's a game of cornhole. You played cornhole?
Never played it.
Alright, I've got my bags there. Do you want to have a little go? Let's chuck it down there. And you just chuck it on the floor, don't you?
Right. And we just lob it into the circles.
Yeah, I think you've got to stand here. Alright, you can have 4 goes, I have 4, see who wins. Pick your favourite colours.
No.
Oh,
There you go.
nearly. Right, let me have a go. Well, I'm going to go for my lucky colour blue. Then a Tottenham supporter, and there's only... Oh, you use my blue. Right, ready? Yeah. Yes. Ah, well, I beat you. We'll have to play with the kids when they get back. What I did realise is that we got a nice big table. How about if we put it here and we can have it as a tabletop version? Shove those down there. Got a nice long table there, it's 8 foot long. You can have 12 goes. Right. Right, there's a beanbag over there. Okay. 1. And I'm holding it on my other hand, by the way. The only thing with MDF, it doesn't slide very well. Well, it does. We'll have to varnish it up so it slides.
Maybe it's gone back.
No, these are Amazon. By the way, guys, I'll leave links in the description. Oh, they're all blocking each other now.
Not into the hole.
Yeah, it's hard when you're holding the camera. Oh, yeah. Yeah. One with his end. Oh, that was rubbish. Yeah, they're going to love it, especially Louis. I got 1. We're going to have to... Did I get 2?
Yeah.
Oh, not bad. We're going to have to polish that up so it slides a little bit better, so they slide up. Yeah, they're very grippy, look. Yeah, I was thinking about spraying it white or something with a sprayer, but then I think it looks quite nice with MDF. So, yeah, we'll polish that up. Let's wait till the kids come home. We'll give it a little polish, and then we'll play with the kids, and then give you a final rundown at the end. Who's winning? Not one has gone in yet. Come, boys. Up the game. What? You're only like 2 meters away, and you've got how many in? 2. Let's have another game. Come. Let's show the viewers how good you are. Oh. Oh, rubbish. Rubbish. Good. 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 How many? Who's winning? Me. Alright, let's have a game of desktop cornhole. Where you put it on the table. Right, Louis, stand at the end of the table here. So it's fair. Stand this side, not that side, you donut. Oh! Okay, you having fun? Boys, give me a summary. Is it a good game?
Yeah.
Would you say that they should make one? People who watch him? Yes. Loads of fun, endless fun, people. Go and get yourself the file from the video description. Go and grab your offcuts, grab yourself an Omtech Polar 350 Plus, and make yourself a cornhole board. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Take it easy. Do you want to say bye, boys?
Bye.
See you later. Say bye.
Dad, I got one in first.
Whoa. Whoa. We caught that.
I got one in first time.
Yeah, I know.